Alright you guys, so this is second attempt, and I think most of you have probably seen it, but this is my first attempt right here. Colors are too light, the wings not the way that I wanted them to be at all, so I tweaked it a little bit. Dark background, lighter dragonfly, so we're going to open it up, and I'm going to speed through this part so you don't have to hear me chat the whole time. Okay, let's look at it. So this is second attempt. Hopefully it's really good. Hopefully it's awesome. So let's see what it looks like. Ah, yes. Way better. Way better. So the wings are a million times better. I love the dragonfly that it's bright. I love the dark background. I chose really good colors. I like this one. I think I'm still gonna have to do a little bit of tweaking to it, but so far better than the first one. Alright, so I love this one way more than I love this one. So this one's a good one, and it will be up on the website. I'll be updating that today for real, not like last time where I didn't have time, but this time I have time. I'll be updating that, getting the shirts on there that aren't already on there, this tapestry. So www.riahstie-dye.com. If there's anything on there that isn't in your size and you want it in your size, there's a contact us page that emails me directly and I'll email you back. But if not, and you want to make it yourself, there's links in the description box below, everything that I use. So detergents, hemostats, sinew, kite string, whatever you want. It's down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Happy tie-dyeing.